It's me, Possum Fun and Frugal. I have to use my hand to block the sun because otherwise it looks like that. It's so bright and sunny today. It's nice. I got to run some errands and it's a beautiful day to do it. So I thought I'd take you along because now that I'm losing my extra food stamp allotment from the pandemic, I have to get more frugal about my shopping. So something I used to do before I had the luxury of extra food stamps is I would go around when I ran my other errands. If there's stores that I think might have good sales, I stop in and check their clearance racks. Grocery stores usually have a rack of all their clearance items, and then I check other things I might need that are on sale. Only stuff I need though. If it's there, it's on sale, and I need it, I'll get it. But I go along my route so that I don't waste gas, and I collect whatever I can find in a round trip on my way, so I'm not going out of my way. So that's one of my frugal things I do. So I'm going to take you along, and I'm still a little bit nervous and not real comfortable doing the, speaking at a store or whatever. So I'm going to film what I can of where I am and what I pick up, and then I'll probably voice over it later. I just haven't got comfortable with the videoing out in public, and I don't want to have to ask the managers and whatever. So I don't know if they like us to, I don't know here in Santa Cruz if I'll be allowed to do it anyway without permission. So we'll see what we can do. The first task is I have to stop and pay my rent bill. So I'm going out and paying my rent bill at the front of the park. So if you never lived in a mobile home park, you can see how we do this. This mobile home park still only takes checks in the office, even though there's not a manager there. The owner comes and collects it. And I notice he has to come several days in a row because, I don't know, everybody pays on a different day and we have 5 days to pay the rent. So anyway, you see how we do that. Now we are at the SPCA, where I'm going to pick up my free pet food. You see there's supposed to be some kitties in there, but I don't see anybody. This is our Santa Cruz SPCA, and they're giving away free pet food, so I'm getting my free pet food on Fridays. That's what I do. So after Gray Bears, I go right down the street to here, pick up free food. Okay, got the pet food. We're off to, I have to rethink my route. So we're off to do the grocery store clearance racks next, I think, and then Goodwill. Chances here and see how this traffic is with the road construction. It won't be too bad. Looks like the road construction's gone already. that's helpful. So we're back on track with the route that I wanted to go. Next stop will be Safeway and the clearance rack. Every store has a little shelf somewhere in it where the clearance stuff is. So this is one of my little frugal things, is to go and peruse all the clearance racks on my way. My front row parking. Here's my receipt from Safeway. I found 2 items that I can use. Oatmeal. I always love my oatmeal, and I like to save the instant oatmeal so that they can be used for traveling. So you can see I spent $6.73 on 2 items. I saved $6.75. Now we're off to Rite Aid to pick up prescriptions. Oh, I'll show you. Here's the seasoning. Tabitha Brown. It's garlic, ginger, pineapple, and mango. Ooh, that sounds like good. I like to have a lot of seasoning since I'm doing a lot of cooking from scratch. So I like to make unique flavored things out of my veggies, my free produce. And this is I'm excited to try this in one of my stir fries. And here's the oatmeal. It's for kids, but I don't care. It looks like it's kind of yummy. So now I've stopped at the UPS store and I had to drop off a return package that was on my way before Rite Aid. I misspoke earlier saying I was going to Rite Aid. Now I got ahead of myself, so I had to stop at UPS and drop off a return. And the next place is, I'm trying to decide whether to go to Target first. I think that's what I'm going to do next, is go to Target and check their clearance items. Okay, so we are now at Target in the parking garage and ready to go do clearance shopping here. There's a lot of... Okay, so continuing with my frugal finds, my clearance hunting, bargain hunting. I didn't have to, but I got invited to a luncheon today, and it's not too far from my house, so that's convenient. Trying to save on gas too, so it was just a few blocks away, so that's very helpful. And I was able to, because I was over there, I was near the store that I missed yesterday, one of them. So I stopped by the store on my way back and did this store, they call them last chance items. So I did what I call last chance shopping at New Leaf. And I think I got one other thing that was on sale, but not last chance. So I'll share those things with you. And I brought stuff back from I took food. I took the coleslaw salad, but I use this yum sauce, which is really good. And so I call it yum slaw because it's made with something else besides traditional coleslaw, a different sauce. It's really good. So I don't usually like coleslaw, but I like this. So I brought my version of coleslaw, which technically was mostly free because I used the free bagged coleslaw salad that I got from my food pickup. And the yum sauce I buy with my food stamps. And so I was able to take an entree to this luncheon, buffet style. And I came back with more than I brought. So people ate a little bit of my salad. I was really hoping they would eat it up because this stuff I can't always eat up on time myself. Then I was given things to take home afterwards. So I brought home more than I took with me. I'll show you what that is. And I just realized I should share this with you. So a lot of times, because I have carpal tunnel, if I'm carrying a bag and it's a little heavy, I'm not supposed to carry real heavy stuff anyway, but sometimes my fingers, that happens, right? So you're walking along with your bag, you're walking along and one of the straps goes poof, right? And that's what's happening to my bag. So my solution was, I actually paid 99 cents for a new bag from the store that I was just at because they had them on sale, and I'm wearing out my bags, partly because that happens. So you get one of these little carabiners, and I need 2 hands to put it on, so hold on. So here is the carabiner, and so what I do once I'm done filling the bag with the food is I attach it to the other strap. So now you connected your straps, so when you're walking along, you don't, even if it comes apart, your other strap won't pull away, and then that won't happen. So the luncheon was at my favorite, my place of not religious, my spiritual practice is at a Zen Center. Not trying to promote anything, just that's where I went. And I got another one of these. I already have a couple of these. I like to hang them up in my windows, and I have some in the van also. So that was free, and some, when they burn the incense at the Zen Center, they only burn it halfway, and then they get a new one each time as part of their ritual. So the used ones will get thrown away if people don't take them. So they offer up the used incense. So I get free incense. I also got a couple free candles, but I think I left them in my pocket. I got a free bag of chips, organic chips that I can eat. So there's that. I got some drinks. These drinks. got those. And I got a bottle of homegrown olive oil from somebody there at the Zen Center. And of course that's the container that my salad is in. So I took a salad and I came back with all of this and still a lot of salad left. So that is all stuff that was free. Okay, now the bargain hunting. Let's look at my receipt. I spent $9.84. This is like the most expensive health food restaurant. This is the most expensive health food store that we have in town. And these are the prices I got. I got these croutons, and they were $1.37. And this is what I like, is I saw this, I thought, oh, that looks good. Oh, and it's on last chance sale. So I thought, well, that's a good opportunity to try something new and not spend a bunch of money on it. So that was $1.24. Another one, $1.24. We had ginger chips, which are nice to put in cookies or baked goods. So I'll be doing more of that. Those were $5.99, but normally they were twice that price. So that's the last chance sale price. That's how expensive this stuff is now. And then a couple cans of dog food. Those were only $1.12. That's the cheapest canned dog food I've ever seen, especially right now. Even cheap canned dog food at the dollar store is $1.25. That's $1.12. So I did a good little haul here. And this allows me to stretch my money and my food stamps much further and try some new stuff, and it's all healthy.